Hello everyone, I'm Iris from Iris Impressions Art. I'm a artist, teacher, vlogger, podcaster, a few other adjectives. Are they adjectives? Nouns. Today I have got another Upcrate unboxing for you. I love doing these videos because who doesn't love unwrapping surprise art supplies? Surprise art supplies. I don't know what this is. This is Upcrate number 37. I don't know what's in here. I hope it's something good. Let's have a little unboxing and we'll see what's in here. I'll let you know what I think and let's do it. Before I forget, the lovely people at Upcrate have actually given me a discount code to share. It's in the description of the video and it will give you some money off if you would like to get one of these for yourself. Okay, I've put you in overhead mode. Let's have a go. Ooh, what does it say? Oh no, this is the logo. I'm looking like this and thinking it says A, which is Dutch for egg. But then I realized this is actually, I'm already embarrassing myself. Nice, bright yellow. So what have we got underneath here? Let's have a look at that first. We have got, oh, some nice stickers. Love these colors. So we've got like a kind of a reddish, corally red with purpley blue and then a bit of yellow there, which is very exciting. I love this artwork. Naked women. Love it. Bristol sketch pad. Interesting. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is paper. Okay, cool. I thought it was this gray stuff. It's actually looks like just white paper, a block of white paper, 15 sheets, 185 GSM, which is nice. Cool. I like that. This is the artwork of the co-captain, Alba. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Nice. Very interesting artwork. Love the kind of the style of these faces. Yay. Very queer positive. Love it. I'm Alba. Nice to meet you. I work as a visual artist for video games, board games, and comics, and is also an author. That is so cool. Okay, cool. Egyptian-y vibes on this. Really cool illustratory style. I love it. I'm not an illustrator, but I always do really appreciate seeing illustrators work. Okay, let's. Ooh, oh no! I've been picking it up too much, and then it broke on the side, and it, like something came out. Okay, hang on. Wait. Let's just put these bits away, and let's open this. I can't stop seeing egg. Anyway, suspense. I can see some pencils. Oh, what's this? Oh, a double-ended alcohol markers. More alcohol markers. This is interesting because I don't know if you watched the previous Upcrate unboxing I did, but that one had alcohol markers in it too. Ooh, I like these colors. But then where is the red coming from? That's interesting. For drawing, pigmented ink, waterproof. Oh, it's like a fine liner. Okay, nice. We've got a few colored pencils. We've got a blue one, a red one, and a kind of ochre-y one. And then what's this? Opaque white pen. That's nice. I'm always in between white pens because they never last very long for me. But let's have a look at these. I like these colors. Like they're kind of like some pastel-y colors, but also some stronger ones. So this is cool. Okay, nice. I like that they come in a little thingy, whatever you call this, little box. I turn on the camera and the aphasia is real. All right, let's have a quick look now, because I don't like to look in here at first because I don't want to like have any spoilers of before I unwrap it. But let's have a quick look at this. So we've got the Spectra AD marker is an alcohol marker. Okay, non-toxic, dual-ended with a brush and a chisel nib. Cool. The pigment liner, oh no, that's the black one, the Le Plume pigment liner. So a water-based drawing pen. So it's water-based, but it is waterproof. That's nice. And then we've got a pigmented white marker. doesn't say what it is. Pigment ink in there. Okay, interesting. I look forward to trying that. And then we've got the Bruinzeel design color in yellow ochre, dark violet. Oh, that's that. The blue is the dark violet. Okay, cool. And then sanguine, which is the red. Okay, cool. I like it. And then the SMLT A5 Bristol sketching paper. Nice. So there we go. And then we've got some stuff about the featured artist. I'm gonna look forward to reading up about them. They've given some tips, and what else? And then there's some other artists who are featured, who have used the same supplies from here. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is so cute. I like this a lot. This is so different from what I would do, but it is super cute. Let's have a look at these stickers. Nice. I like the fish. Cool. I'm definitely going to be using these. I love this. Like the kind of like the flat elongated faces, and then like we've got this flat kind of bird, which kind of looks like a stone, and then it's got little plants growing out of it. It's fun. These are some featured artworks from previous boxes, so that's fun. And then the prompt for this box is mystical interaction. As you can see, this is a little bit like, this is a box from a while back, so it's no longer current, but still very exciting. Let's open this for a minute, and I'm going to just open this, and then I'm just going to grab these supplies and just have a little go on the paper that was provided. Okay, let's have a little go at playing, or maybe like kind of swatching these different art supplies. So this this paper is super smooth, which is interesting, nice. Not necessarily what I would use, but let's have a go. Let's have a try. So I'm not a alcohol marker person, because I'm not an illustrator, so I don't tend to I don't even have any of these really, apart from some that I got in a previous Upcrate box. But they are very interesting, and I am interested in kind of like, now that I've got some more of them, in like how can I use these in my mixed media art. Very interesting. And these are the types of things that they do push through or bleed through into the next page. And because I tend to work in art journals, that is something that I want to be a little bit careful of. But what I have been using my alcohol markers for is where sometimes I put them like on top of acrylic, and I think that's kind of interesting, because then you also don't get the bleed through issue. It's a nice color, surprisingly, because I'm not a big fan of green. Oh, this is interesting too. I like this kind of like a cornflower blue, which is very attractive. I like that very much. Do these have names, these colors? Not on the actual pens. This is a very nice color palette. Like, it's a very gentle color palette, I feel. Yeah. So, but no reds, but obviously we've got the pencils. So I'm interested, because I'm always looking for like the perfect pencil. And have I found it? I mean, yes, I have. I really like Prismacolor pencils, but they are hard to get in the UK. So I'm still always interested in like a more kind of Europe-centric colored pencil. So this is nice. That's quite like, quite loaded. A little bit on the dry side, I would say. Not super creamy, but also not too dry. Like, not dry like kiddie pencils. Oh, I like this one. And it's nice on this paper as well. Like, it's very smooth. Yeah, I like the color payoff on these. That is very satisfying. Oh, interesting. Oh yeah, that is that ochre color. Not really my kind of thing, but still like an attractive color in the context of these things. Now let's have a look at this fine liner. Oh yeah, this is quite nice, especially on this really smooth paper. Nice. I like this. Yeah. Little box. It's one of my go-to symbols is like little, little weird boxes. Okay, yeah. And then what happens when you put this on top of this alcohol marker? Oh yeah, that works quite well. So the alcohol marker is dried really quickly. I don't expect this to work very well. Oh, it does actually. And I'm sure if you let this dry and not be impatient like me, it will actually stay on there. So these pencils are not as like waxy, where you can't actually put something then on top of them that is like water-based. That's interesting, because usually like if you put something on top of colored pencils, it like beads like the same way that it would if you had like wax crayons or oil pastels or something. And then we've got this white pen, which I imagine needs priming, so let's have a go. There we go, that's doing something. So let's first see what happens on top of these alcohol markers. Nice. That works quite well actually. Just, you know, I can see the white. And then what about on these colored pencils? What happens on these? Oh, that works quite well as well. Okay, I'm really curious now because I have some things that I use a lot. So I have here these Faber-Castell I use a fair amount, and then these, you can see they're popular with me. This is a Prismacolor. And whenever I try to do something on top of those, it really like beads. So I'm curious to see what happens. Ooh, no, that works really well. This is quite exciting actually. Let's try this one. Yep. Okay. That's really interesting. That's really interesting. Okay. So I'm actually like, the things I'm most surprised by in this box are these two. They are actually reacting differently and better to what I would expect in terms of layering them over things. And I feel like that is the point of view I'm coming from, because I am a mixed media artist. I do love layering. I love grunge. I love texture. So applying a single layer of something is not really representative of how I'm going to be using it in the real world, in my artwork. So layering things on top of each other and seeing how that works. And this is dried now and it doesn't rub off. So that's really good. I'm quite excited about that. And then I still need to figure out a little bit better about how I'm going to use but I am excited about these colors. And then let's just have a little experiment. What happens if I layer them on top of each other? What happens there? Or if I do like, what if I do this, like a darker color, and then what happens when I put a lighter color on top? Does anything happen? Kind of like, does it like burn the alcohol away around the edges? A little bit. Interesting. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure yet how I'm going to be using this, but I like these colors, and especially, surprisingly, this green. How funny that I should like the green. Right, there we go. Oh, and how about, as a final little experiment, how about what happens when we add the colored pencil on top of the alcohol marker? Yeah, so that's interesting. So it just kind of shines through a little bit. So you can see that the red that is on top of the alcohol marker is just a little bit richer and a little bit like, I don't know, like it's got a little bit more of a waxy layer almost, as opposed to what goes straight onto the paper. Is a little bit less rich because it's not like both colors combined, and it's a little bit more kind of like a dry application, if that's like a term that can be kind of understood. Okay, cool. Well, I feel like this has been a nice little experimenting session and a nice little unboxing. I always love I always love not knowing what to expect. Like, don't give me surprises in real life, but like, give me surprises in an art supply box and I am game. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. As I mentioned at the start, there is a discount code in the video description in case you want to check out the art supply subscription for yourself. You get new secret art supplies every month, which is great fun. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to watch more of my kind of, you know, unboxings, art videos, creative vlogs, you can find them here on my channel. If you are new, I hope you will consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you can't get enough and would like more inspirational content, you can also find me over on Patreon. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!